Welcome to this video on how to manage your devices on the NSV Connect system. Start by logging into the NSV Connect portal as the administrator. On your dashboard, click on the large button labeled Devices. Your devices will be shown in a tile view. Here we can see the status of all of our devices at a glance. Clicking on the line status button for any one device will show you the status of each line available to that device. This could show active, inactive, disabled or do not disturb. Clicking on the edit button will let us edit the device. We have chosen our conference phone. On the Details tab, you can see the individual settings for this device. Items that are grayed out cannot be changed. You can edit the device name and location, as well as the time zone and call barring options. You can also determine if this device will receive voicemail notifications that turn on the message waiting light. Clicking on the Device Lines tab, we can control the line settings associated with this device. As the administrator, you can enable or disable the device and turn the Do Not Disturb feature on or off. Clicking on the arrow button will show you this line's settings. This includes the line name shown on the device as well as the caller ID settings. Inheriting caller ID from the user account is the default. If you would like to make this device use a different caller ID or extension, turn this off and choose the external number from the available numbers. Remember, this number is associated with a certain E911 location. You can also select a different internal extension number. You can turn call waiting on or off. You can also set a call prefix for this device to allow 7-digit dialing. Remember to click Save to keep your changes. Now let's choose a different device. This device has two lines associated with it. Notice that you can control them individually. Now we will open yet a different device. Note that this one has another tab, Functions. This allows us to program its function buttons. Clicking on the Functions tab, we can see all of the button programming. Clicking on the Edit button for one of them shows how it is programmed. This one is a line button. You can change the name it shows on the display and choose from the lines available for this device on the left. Clicking on another button type shows a speed dial. Here you can edit the display name and the number it dials. Remember, names can only be a maximum of 12 characters. Another type of function button is the Call Park button. Setting this up requires the call parks are already set up on the system. You choose the park location from the list and provide a name for the button. The last type of button is a BLF, or Busy Lamp Field button. This allows you to see when another device is in use and also functions as a speed dial to that device. You can choose a device and its associated line from the list on the left, and click the plus button to use it. Then give it a name. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on managing devices on NSV Connect. If you have any questions, please visit our website at www.nsvconnect.com.